Hello guys, you're watching Technology and Fun YouTube channel and I'm Rankan back again with another Photoshop tips and tricks. So guys, today I will show you how to boost color in Photoshop. You also can save vivid color. So first of all you have to open photo and go to adjustment tools. Okay, now select vibrance. Okay, now we have to boost vibrance plus 100 and saturation plus 100. Okay, now go to image and select apply image. Okay, now you have to click blending option and select subtract and click OK. Guys, you can control color from here. It's a short tips and tricks. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And also comment what kind of video you need. Thank you.